JCA Electronics introduces the Vireo product that turns your tablets into touch displays that can be integrated into your tractor. Take the tablet everywhere you go and have an interface that's applicable in all areas of your life, including work. All tractors ISOBUS and non-ISOBUS compliant can utilize Vireo. All ISOBUS implements can be integrated using Vireo, including most sprayers, tillage equipment, planters, seeders, balers, bale pickers, and more. Apple, Android, and Windows tablets can be used in the cab and out to control and monitor your ISOBUS implements. For ISOBUS compliant tractors, the Hummingbird module can be installed in the cab with a simple harness plugging into the ISOBUS connector. For non-ISOBUS tractors, the Hummingbird module can be installed outside the cab with a harness that connects to the battery. Once the hardware is installed on the tractor and the app is downloaded onto the tablet, a simple execution of the app will download all of the needed files and allow you to start using your new wireless display. Up to 4 tablet displays can be added to your cab for every Vireo product. New ISOBUS compliant implements can be seamlessly incorporated as they're attached to the tractor. Coordinate all your activities and information into one device that now fully integrates your in-field activities, making you that much more productive. With the use of tablets as displays, you have the added benefit of bringing all the resources of the internet to your application. GPS location, up-to-date weather, farm management systems, performance and diagnostic data, and recommendations. Follow us on Twitter at VireoVT and make your local dealer aware of your interest to purchase or learn more about Vireo.